ChatGPT 4 just got the internet access. This is huge, especially for affiliates. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So go into your ChatGPT account. If you have a Plus account and you're paying for access, come on down to this little feature here. Click on those three dots for settings. Go to settings and beta, and then click on beta features, browse with Bing. This is huge. Now when you come up here and hover over ChatGPT 4, you're going to see browse with Bing. Select that, and now your ChatGPT has access to the internet. This is huge, especially for people who are in niches as affiliates or people in marketing, because if you're in a niche that is not evergreen, where it's constantly changing, there's new things happening all the time, it's hard to use ChatGPT 4 because you're limited to the old 2021 data. If you're in a niche that changes constantly, now we can get information that is up to date and relevant, and it's just going to make it a lot easier for us affiliates to really crush it with some of the features inside of ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and comment and share on my content, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in our next video coming up shortly.